Okay, hello everyone. Now we're going to introduce our new product, jerry can mini bar. First of all, let us open the mini bar. We have two drawers and we can open it. Secondly, I'm going to introduce our. Okay, so you can see here. Firstly, you can put here your beers, your colas, or any other bottles like this, and you can put 5 bottles at least. And at here you can put a big bottle whiskey or any other drinks you like. And at here we have three places, and you can put your cups or some little bottles like this, drink bottles. You can put the drinks any you like earlier, and when you use it, you just open it and drink it. It's very easy, and you can put it many times, many times, so you can enjoy all kinds of the drinks you like. Okay, I'm going to introduce when our most important part is our light. We have a remote at here, and when you open it, you can find it. There's some light. If you are at outside, use this mini bar, and there's some light, it will be very good, right? And we have 6 colors for you to choose. The pink one, the blue one, the green one, the yellow one, the red one, and the dark green. You can choose it any way you want. It's very good. So finally, we are going to close the mini bar. You can see it. It's very easily for you. Even I'm a girl, it's very easy for me to close it. And now I'm going to show the whole round of my jerry cans. You can see it. The material is steel. It's very strong. So it's not plastic. It's steel. So we made from the 20 liters metal jerry can. And you can see even here the cups. It's just like the real metal jerry can, and you can find it. It's just like you take a jerry can outside and you can enjoy the drinks you like. Okay, and so that's all.